why we should take care of our planet. Hello friends, today we are going on a tiny adventure to learn why our planet Earth needs our help. Say hello to Earth. Hi kids, I'm so happy to see you. But oh no, Earth is feeling a little sick these days. I am coughing because of pollution. There is too much smoke in the air and too much rubbish on the ground. Kids, do you know what pollution means? Pollution is when we make the environment dirty and unsafe. Pollution happens because cars and factories release smoke, plastic waste is thrown into rivers and oceans, and trees are being cut down. Earth is home for all the animals, not just humans. When pollution spreads, animals get sick too. But guess what? You can become Earth's hero. Let's see how. Kids can help by throwing trash in dustbin, planting trees, using less plastic, saving water, and turning off lights when not needed. When everyone works together, I start feeling better. We have only one Earth and it gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and land to live on. So let's promise to take care of our beautiful planet every single day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to be a hero for Earth today. Bye bye.